Welcome to the CA Disk Files Dataset Unload and Reload utility.
The unload utility is used to make a backup of the file's dataset, which should be done at least once per day. Even though the BDAM file appears as a PS dataset, you cannot use an IEB generator to copy the files. The IEB generator will appear to run correctly with the condition code 0, but the files will be unusable. The word unload for the command is not literal. The records are simply copied from the file to the output file. The output of the unload can be to a disk or a tape file. Unload all is the typical command to have all records in the files to be written to the output file. This utility is used to reload all the records from an unload into the file's dataset. The reload process will be done if a new file has to be allocated because a new larger file's dataset had to be allocated. The optional FreeSP parameter will leave a percentage of free space in the data blocks just for DSN index records. Without the FreeSP parameter, a reload or reorg will load the DSN index records in sequence and fill the data blocks 100%. So every new DSN index record to be inserted by an archive or backup into a 100% filled block will cause a block split. With FreeSP 20, a reload or reorg will leave 20% free space in every block, so there is room to insert some new DSN index records. This will keep the number of blocks remaining more constant over a period of time and lessen the likelihood of going into overflow blocks.
For more detailed information about this topic, click on the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to the product documentation, visit the communities, or see the learning paths.